If x is equal to 2 plus root 3, then find x square plus 1 by x square value కావాలి. ఓకేనా? x is equal to 2 plus root 3, then find x square plus 1 by x square. So therefore, given x is equal to 2 plus root 3, 1 by x is equal to 2 minus root 3. 2 minus root 3. అది ఎలా రాస్తారంటే 1 by 2 plus root 3. ఓకేనా? రెసిప్రోకల్ ఆఫ్ which is equal 1 by 2 plus root 3 minus 2 minus root 3 by 2 minus root 3. So therefore, రేస్లైజ్ చేద్దాం. 2 minus root 3 by 2 square minus root 3 whole square. That is equal 2 minus root 3 by 4 minus root 3 cancel. So therefore, 2 minus root 3 by 1. So therefore, 1 by x is equal to ఎంత ఉంది ఇక్కడ? One by x is equal to, so therefore 1 by root 3 అవుతుంది. ఓకేనా? x plus 1 by x is equal to 2 plus root 3 plus 2 minus root 3. x is equal 1 plus root 3, 1 by x is equal 2 minus root 3. Root 3 cancel, that means 4. x plus 1 by x is equal 4. ఓకేనా? నెక్స్ట్ స్క్వేర్ కావాలి కాబట్టి మనకి x plus 1 by x whole square is equal to 4 square. x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 into x into 1 by x is equal to 16. x cancel. x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 16 minus 2 get 14. Answer 14.